And me saying this, if it hurts your pride or ego, there's a reason it hurts, because there is some truth to what I am saying. And here's a trade that I took today on my live stream. The faster you are truthful and vulnerable, the faster you will see results. If revenge trading keeps wrecking you, these are the exact tactics I use to stop the emotional cycle. Let's go over it in a couple of minutes. It's honestly doing the least amount of work as possible, but what is most important is having a mechanical strategy. I have one called NNT, and if you want a free course on my mechanical strategy, click the first link in the description. But that is not what this video is about. If you already have a profitable strategy, which you more than likely don't because you're watching this video, but if you do have a fully mechanical strategy that you worked with a mentor to master, that you did not create on your own, is by doing this exactly. Trading for no more than 1 hour a day, not taking more than one trade a day, and having the same consistent size. So for me, I trade to 1 to 2 hours, but on average, I'm done in 20 to 30 minutes. I don't ever take more than one trade a day, and I currently stick with 5 NQ per trade. I do this because I have been trading the NASDAQ every single day, going on 2 years. And even some days I show up to the screens and I trade for no longer than 10 minutes. What makes the process so easy to be able to execute again and again is having a mechanical strategy with rules that I can follow, and a mechanical strategy that is easy to follow. My strategy NNT only has 3 steps to it, and here's a trade that I took today on my live stream. And all I did was follow my 3 mechanical steps. I can drag this video out, but realistically, all it is trading for minimum time as possible, taking the least amount of trades, and a consistent size. But none of that can happen until you have a mechanical strategy that you can master, because clearly what you are doing now does not work. And me saying this, if it hurts your pride or ego, there's a reason it hurts, because there is some truth to what I am saying. The faster you are truthful and vulnerable, the faster you will see results. Because vulnerability is courage and truth is honesty, and both are never weakness. If you want to grow as a trader, check out the first link in the description. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get right back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. I have a lot of free backtest videos on my strategy. I have a million videos on my strategy. I have a bunch of shorts on my strategy. Give it all a look.